In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can book cheap flights to Jamaica. So to achieve this, we're going to be using Expedia.com. There are many other sites that you can use, right? But Expedia is my favorite. So the first thing you want to do is click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to Expedia.com. On Expedia.com, you can select flights, select the airport that you're departing from, and then specify the airport in Jamaica that you're going to. So let's say MBJ. Here you would select the dates that you want to depart and return. So let's say October the 1st we're departing and the return date is the 24th of October. Then select done. Then select search. So the cheapest flight available to Jamaica for that date is the first one here, which is $325. You have the option to choose between basic or economy. These are the different perks, right? So you can review them. So I'm just going to select basic. Here, select your return flight. So the first flight is no additional cost. Also the second one. So here again, choose between basic and cabin. Then select no thanks. Then here you simply select checkout. You can choose your seat or you can simply skip to checkout. So on this page is where you will provide the traveler's information, right? And then you provide the payment information and then you select proceed to review. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.